Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching the Coders Codes. So let's begin. In the previous video, we have discussed about bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort. So in this video, we will see about merge sort. In this merge sort, we will discuss about sort. What is sorting? So we know that sorting of the unordered array or unordered list, we have to order that in the way like ascending or descending. That is the sorting. We need to unsorted array will need to convert into a sorted array. There are two sorted methods like ascending and descending. We will see here only ascending. So I will discuss firstly what is unsorted arrays. An unsorted array, we will take one example. See 5 4 6 8 2 and 1. This is the unsorted array example. So what is the sorted one of this example? In the unsorted array, we have taken one example that this is the array, or we can say like this is the list, or we can say data structure, which is unsorted data structure. We need to convert it into sorted structure, or we can say sorted array format. So what will be the output of this? 1 2 4, then it will check 5 6 and 8. This is the sorted array. So this is all about unsorted array need to convert it into a sorted array. There are some techniques like bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort. We already seen that. So we will discuss here only quick merge sort here, right? So I will discuss what technique is used in the merge sort. So we will see step by step. There one rule is applied in the merge sort. Divide and conquer rule is applied, or we can say divide and conquer technique is used in the merge sort. So what is divide? In the divide technique, what happens? Suppose 5 4 6 8 2 and 1, and this is the unsorted array. We have to firstly divide it into two subgroups. So we will take two groups like 5 4 6 and 8 2 1. We will divide them and we will go to the next step. We will see step by step. I will write here 5. So see 5 4 and 6. These are the one subgroup. 8 2 and 1. This is the another one subgroup, right? We will make some okay distance. Now here another way, like another step, we can say 5 and 4 is the subgroup of previous 5 4 6 group, right? And 6 is another. So see guys, uh, 8 to 1 is divided into two subgroups. So this is please consider that the previous group is need to convert it into two subgroups. So 8 and 2 is the first part of it, and 1 is the another one. And then 5 4 is also subdivided. 5, then 4, and then 6. This is all divided. 8 2 and 1, right? This is totally divided. we do not need to, we can say, divide more. This is the divide rule, and we can say divide technique. I will write here. Okay. And another one, divide is one step, and conquer is the another step. So we will see what is the conquer, right? In the conquer, what happens? It will check step by step. How it will check? 5 and 4, it will check which is the smallest one. So 4 is the smallest one, right? 4, then 5, 6 is the actual position. So then in the next step, it will check like, first step is this, right? In the next step, 8 and then 2, it will check which is the smallest one. 2 is the smallest one and 8 is the largest one, right? So it will be set to here, first step. In the next step, what happens? It will go ahead and 6 is there only, and here 1 is there, right? In the next step, it will check from within these 3, and it will check within these 3. So it will be considered like 4 is smaller, 5 is smaller than 6. And this is the sorted one group. In the next group, it will check 1, then 2 and 8. This is the sorted one, another group. So this is the conquer methods. In the last step, what happens? Both of these two groups, it will check by themselves, like what will be steps of checking. So I will discuss with you, like it it will check from starting. So first element is less in both the group, so it will check 1 is less or 4 is less. So 1 is less, so it will take 1, right? In the next step, it will 2 is gone, right? So it will check in between 2 and 4 which is smallest one. So 2 is smallest one, it will print, then store in the array, and then it will go ahead and it will check between 8 and 4 which is the smallest one. 4 is smallest one, it will add in the array, and then in the next, it will compare between 2, 5 and 8 which is smallest one. 5 is smallest one, so it will add here. And next one, it will check in between 6 and 8. So 6 is smallest one, so it will add here. So in the next step, so we know that 6 is last element, right? Next there is nothing, so it will be nothing, so it will directly add here 8. If suppose uh, there is one element like 9, so it will be suppose directly added here 9. This is actually a method when the group is ended, it will directly add the next element. All right, so this is the conquer method. This is all about divide and conquer. So see, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8, this is the sorted array, right? And I want to just add one thing here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8, this is the ascending order sorted array. And 6, sorry, 8, 6, 5, 4, 2 and 1, this is the descending order, right? Descending order but sorted array. These are the two ways of sorted array. So we are just going through ascending order. This is all about merge sort. uh, we will just see in the next part 2 about coding. So thank you for watching.